Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a Spotify playlist to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new site, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new folder. In the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go ahead and hover your mouse over the site you want to edit, and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once taken to your dashboard, just go here to the left side of your screen, and then here in the bottom, you're going to find edit site. Give it a click, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the Wix website editor. Just wait for it to load, and then once loaded, this is how it will look like. In the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to design and customize your site. So right now, in order to add a Spotify song or playlist, just go to the plus icon, click on add element, and then here you're going to find text, image, button, and so on. Search in this list for embed code. Click on embed code, and then here you're going to find custom, video, audio, advanced, and animations. Go to audio, and then here you're going to find SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes button. Click on Spotify players, and then just drag this icon right here. And then, as you can see, guys, now it's added. Just wait for it to finish loading. And then once finished loading, this is how it will look like. So right now, just go ahead and click on settings. And then you can just search in Spotify like this to search for an album, track, playlist, or artist. For example, I'm going to search for Weekend like this, hit enter, and then here you're going to find the albums, tracks, playlists, and so on. For example, I'm going to add this playlist, click on select, and as you can see, guys, it's easily added. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys for the next video.